little bit later on the October 25th. That means if you wasn't Fast Start qualified, if you was not Fast Start qualified by September, we reset this clock and we added 25 seats, 25 flights, 25 incentive trips in October. So October to February, all you had to do was go out, right, and open up a pre-groups, right, to make this happen. Now, here's the caveat here. Must be a Ruby level associate, right? Must be a Ruby level associate, which means they could not be a Sapphire or an Emerald. Minimum 3 qualified new groups. Those 2 groups must have $100 in premium and 2 unique members. So I went in, I signed up to small business, and maybe I signed up to small business owner, $113.95 plus another $37 fine. Even though they have employees, there's still 2 unique members and more than $150 in premium. So that group counted. Must have at least 3 groups. And this is what a lot of people are not paying attention to. They're not the large group numbers. Again, must be in the top 25. And if there's a tie, then we'll do a drawing to do a contest, a tiebreaker there. So again, this started in October. Keep in mind the other trips started back in June and July, but this just started in October. So some of you may have just joined the company in October, or you have someone in your team. Again, look at the minimum, how to qualify, right? And it's right there in front of you. Let me walk back through this one. Again, this one started earlier on in the year.